Hi, my name is Mowliidcube. Today I'm going to explain or configure how to install an FTP server on Windows 10. So we're going to follow all these 5 steps to get done an FTP server on Windows 10. Let's get started. Let's go to the Google Chrome, and number 1, going to download and install FileZilla. Okay, let's go to the download FileZilla download the server. When we get here, we have to click let's go to the download. Okay, let's click here. Say yes. Agreed. Next. Let's install. Let's close this one. We got the file Zilla server. Let's click connect here. Okay. We're here now. Let's create a user and a password. Okay, let's remove all this. I've used it before. I've done it before, but I'm just removing all of them. Okay, add user. Let's just put Mowliidcube. Okay, let's create a password. 1, 2, 3. You can do password as many as either you can do as many as we want, but make it shorter like that. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's go to the file share. So we have to create a file share here. So let's go to the my local disk here. Create a folder. We're gonna call file Zilla. Well, let's call London. Let's create a another folder which is a text document. I'm gonna call like where I live. London. And this will appear when we are going to the like FTP. So I'm gonna say it's okay. Then go back to the add the file local disk London. and then okay. So let's give a write, delete, create, delete. This and host and local, and so let's do again. Okay, let's say okay. Now everything is done now, as you see here, but we need to test it. So sometimes we can test it from web browser. Sometimes it will take, sometimes might not take. So we're gonna do another test if we can. So what we have done is like download it, add user, create password, and add user home directory. So let me show you home directories. It's like when we were giving, like you create, delete, and write, something like that. So add the user home directory. We've done that one. We are here at number 5. Let's test it now. Let's try first on the website, on web browser if we can. Test it done from here. FTP 127.0.0.1. Yeah, it's not doing it. Okay, we're gonna go to the command prompt CMD. Okay, FTP 127.0.0.1. Just gonna ask me the username. And the password is 123. Let's say ls. Okay, the file we created is here, where I live in London. So we cover everything, and I hope this will be easy, and you'll get something for it, and I hope you will do it easily as we did now. And any problem, just email me. My email address is mowliidcube@gmail.com, and I wish you gonna subscribe, like, and comment and share. Thanks for watching. See you next time.